So, hi everyone, this is Miguel Adam and welcome to edigitaltips.com. So, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Miguel, so I've been in the online marketing world for more than a decade now. So, I've tried a lot of things, I've been experiencing different tools. So, I thought myself that it was about time for me to set up a website and start to putting some content. So, now as you scroll down, obviously, it is a very brand new website, so if things are not clicking yet or so don't be scared, don't be afraid. It's totally normal. So I'm putting content as of now. So my first blog is going to be getting out in a few days now, and as I go through, and I'm going to do some video training on how to set up things or how to look for special tools online. So just keep updated. So if you want to subscribe, when you scroll down at the very bottom of this website, you're going to have a link that you can subscribe for my future training. So you're going to be one of the first few people that will be able to attend some of the training, some of the things, some of the tricks of the trade that I have learned so far in my online marketing experience. So as well, I'm French, so if you are French, you can talk to me in French. I can respond to you, no problem. And I hope that you're going to be enjoying your time here, so scroll down. Take care, bye.